going on, guys? Cody with CJ Build Things, a tuning tech channel. I am filming this after the fact because honestly, the day that we started trying to get it to turn on, I never filmed an intro. But today we're gonna get the car started, take it around the block, give it some ribs, and see how the tune is with the new injectors, and then pretty much gonna be the end of that today. So if you guys have any questions or anything, let us know. But if not, let's get started. All right, guys, I'm gonna give you guys a little sneak peek. We got a spare D16Y8, came with trends and everything, got a good deal on it. We're gonna be rebuilding this, doing a Vitara build. Not gonna do anything with it today. Just kind of want to give you guys a little teaser for those who are watching the whole video. I already have the valve cover off because we're getting it prepped to get painted. But yeah, guys, so we're gonna be doing a Vitara build soon on the channel, so stay tuned for that. But before then, let's actually get this car running properly. All right, guys, so right now pretty much what I'm gonna be doing is I'm putting the map that I had made to make the appropriate changes, going from the 240cc stock injectors to the 410cc RDX injectors. So going to go ahead and upload that map now. That all that has changed is just the corrections based on the higher cc. So we should get a proper startup and not have any issues, but like I said, we should. We were able to get the car running, so we had to back out the idle screw here because my idle control valve, this is the second one I've gotten, and it still doesn't work right. So I don't know if it's something with the motor, but it doesn't want to idle or control the idle through the ECU. So I backed that out. One way to fix it, don't think that's the correct way to fix it, but it works. So we're gonna go ahead now and take the car out for a spin, make sure everything's running good, and maybe do a little tuning if needed. So far, guys, the car is driving smooth, and let it heat up a little bit more, and then we'll give it a rip and see if we lean out any. Let's give it a little rip here. Stayed rich. Now we hit 7 psi. This thing is ripping. Damn, guys, this guy feels a lot quicker now. So not the fastest thing in the world, but it definitely feels super quick. Damn, that was a really nice pull. I'll do a little first gear here. Such a nice pull, guys. This thing is ripping. All right, guys, as you guys saw, the car is running really good. It has some leaning out in terms of on low end, like if you're on barely on throttle, but that's not crazy right now. It did start raining, so I did come home a little bit earlier than I wanted to. I didn't really get to tune it. So the plan is to kind of like reaching out a little bit on low end when you're kind of out of throttle, but wide open throttle, it stayed around 11, 11.5. That's what we're gonna wrap it up for today. As you saw at the beginning of the video, we do have a new motor, so expect new motor content coming soon. And yeah, guys, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments or on Instagram at CJBuilt. And if not, then I'll see you on the next video.